Hello everybody, welcome to astraeakeva. This is AO. In today's drawing I am doing record number 41. Yes, I decided to focus more on anatomy today and focus on the muscles of the characters that I'm drawing, because I feel as though I've been focusing more on the construction a lot, so I want to mix both of them. I recently watched an anatomy class where they were talking about like the male body and how like the pectoral major, the pecs are kind of like higher than they are wider, and I was like, I never really paid attention to some of these details. I have tried to memorize some muscle groups, so I will continue to do that. Maybe I will focus more on specific body parts instead and do those studies as well. I think studying anatomy kind of helps me draw characters that look more real, and also the anatomy, like the muscles and stuff, are underneath the clothes, and if you kind of know the muscles and where they end up, you will be able to draw the clothes correctly, because you know, oh, these muscles are here, so if the shirt is tight then it will show or not. So that's kind of why I focused more on anatomy today. It was great. I just didn't know what the time lapse was. I thought I picked like 300 seconds with 10 poses, but maybe it's because I skipped a few poses that it just kept going on and on and on. And so I have a lot to do, so I just stopped the timer. But it was great. I was focusing also on measuring the entire body with the head. So I counted, the nipple line will be 2 heads long, and then the navel line, the pelvic line, and all of that. So it makes it better for me, because I used to shorten the distance between the chest and the pelvis. So I fixed that as well. So it was a great study. And that is all for today's video. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.